Welcome, it's Justin, the home loan guy, your go-to expert for everything home loans. Today we're going to jump into how to buy a home with little to no money out of pocket. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to invest in real estate, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First up, we have FHA. They're backed by the Federal Housing Administration, and they go as low as 3.5% down for down payment. These are perfect for people that are first-time home buyers or with less than perfect credit. So the benefit of them are 3.5% down, but you do have to have a minimum credit score of 580 for that. And also there are loan limits. Typically it's $472,030, but in some areas that are high cost, it can go up to higher. Next up, we have USDA. These are perfect for people that want to live in rural areas or some suburban areas as well. They do offer 100% financing, which means 0% down payment. If you're considering a move out to the countryside, this could be your ticket. There are income limit requirements, so reach out to your loan officer to verify what the income limits are for your area. And also, they generally require a 640 or greater credit score. For our veterans and active military, VA loans are a fantastic option. They offer 0% down and come with very favorable terms in the market. To be eligible, you need to be a veteran, active duty service member, and certain members of the National Guard and Reserve. There is no credit score requirement for the program, but most lenders do want a 620 or better. Now let's talk about down payment assistance programs. Many states and local government offer programs that can cover your down payment and even closing costs. They can come in the forms of grants, forgivable loans, or low interest loans. Each state has different programs, so it's worth checking out what's available in your area. For example, Virginia, where I'm from, offers the Virginia Housing, which is a down payment assistance grant and loans. The types of assistance would be grants that don't need to be repaid, deferred loans that only need to be paid when you sell or refinance, and then low interest loans to cover down payment and closing costs. There are typically income, home price limits, and sometimes geographical location requirements. Some employers also offer down payment assistance as part of their benefits package, so it's a good idea to check with your HR department to see if that's something they provide. Similar to down payment assistance, they offer grants, forgivable loans, and they sometimes match saving programs where the employer matches your savings towards a down payment. The eligibility for them often tend to be tied to tenure with the company or other employment-related criteria. Another option would be gift funds from family members that can help cover down payment and closing costs. Just make sure the funds are properly documented and that they follow the guidelines of the lender. Documentation that they normally require would be a gift letter stating that this is a gift and not a loan that needs to be repaid. Lenders often require a paper trail from the funds being transferred. And those interested in investment properties, hard money loans can be a solution. These are short-term loans from private investors, and they do tend to come with higher interest rates. But they can be paired with gap funding from other investors to cover the down payment and rehab costs. So the hard money loans typically based on the property's value rather than your credit score, and they're short-term, high interest, and use quick acquisitions and rehabs. Gap funding would be private investors provide additional funds to cover the difference between the hard money and the total cost, and they often share the profit. There you have it, folks. Several ways to buy a home with little to no money down. If you have any questions or need help navigating these options, reach out to me at the number on the screen or visit my website. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on home buying and mortgages. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting. Remember, your dream home is within reach, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video.